Supreme Court has asked Prashant Bhushan to reveal his source in a Diarygate. In other words, Supreme Court has asked Prashant Bhushan where did he get the diary from. Let's go across to Meetu Jain joining us live this afternoon. Meetu, 22nd of September, that's when the next hearing will take place. But what happens now? What does this mean as far as the Diarygate notings and the case concerns?
Well, of course, where Prashant Bhushan is concerned, he has been asked to reveal the name, the source of the person who gave him the visitor's logbook to the CBI chief's residence. He has been asked to give it in a sealed cover. That's the first thing. Of course, where Ranjit Sinha is concerned, he is also saying that most of these diary entries are fake, but he is not ruling out the fact that perhaps there were a few people who could have met him. And Ranjit Sinha has all along contended that where he is concerned, he might have met some of these people being investigated by the CBI, but then there was a reason for it. He's getting a lot of leads from them, and in order to catch a thief, you need to set a thief. But where Prashant Bhushan is concerned, remember the arguments in the court were such that Prashant Bhushan insisted that he can stake his life that these diaries are genuine and they are not fake like it's being made out to be by recasting the lawyer for the CBI chief. And that might be the case, but now Prashant Bhushan will have to reveal who the source of who the source is who gave him this visitor's logbook. But remember where the CBI chief is concerned, he's been saying that to say that it was given by a trusted whistleblower is not good enough. You need to really reveal who actually gave it to you, because the whistleblower's clause really applies in a situation where there's a heinous crime that's been committed, and if the person reveals the name of reveals the source, then there's a threat to his life. The CBI chief says that there is no such thing that's happening in this case. At least that's what his affidavit says. Now Prashant Bhushan will have to, the onus is really on Prashant Bhushan to reveal who the source of that information is. And yes, he has been, of course, all along been demanding from the Supreme Court that we can set up an SIT to really find out the truth behind this. But the CBI, the Supreme Court has asked him to actually reveal the source in a sealed cover. The talk of an SIT can happen later on is what the Supreme Court is saying. But at the moment, yes, Prashant Bhushan being asked to reveal the source of his information and, of course, give it in a sealed cover.
You know, Meetu, also getting in more details of what happened in court, CBI director reportedly telling the Supreme Court that 90% of these entries in the register are forged. Some entries may be genuine. Now, he's trying to, of course, ward off everything that's been questioned so far and say 90% of these entries are forged. So, what happens next in the case? Because this is exactly what, Ranjit Sinha wanted. One, to question Prashant Bhushan on how he got the diary. Second, his defense seems to be that these entries are forged.
Well, the CBI chief is actually playing it a little safe. You know, he's saying 90% of them are fake, but some of them might be genuine. In other words, 10% is genuine.
Stay with us, Meetu. We have former CBI Director Joginder Singh joining us on the phone line. Mr. Singh, what is your response to the latest development of the Supreme Court asking Prashant Bhushan to reveal his source, where he got the diary from?
Well, I suppose the Supreme Court is right. After all, anything can be fudged here, and they want to be certain about it. Secondly, having said that, if Ranjit Sinha has not denied that this diary was kept here, but the entries are wrong, even that can be done here, but Prashant Bhushan doesn't have the authority. Only court can order. All the signatures, handwriting can be sent to government examiner of question documents. After all, this is an inside job. It's not an outside job.
Sir, also, just giving you some more information that's coming in, Mr. Joginder Singh, that the CBI director Ranjit Sinha has told the court that 90% of the entries in the register are forged. This is for the first time that the CBI director Ranjit Sinha is saying that some of those entries could be forged. He's, however, saying 10% is genuine, 90% is forged. Do you buy his argument?
Well, I suppose the only way is to submit all this to the let there be separate investigation, not by the CBI, but somebody else, some other agency, to question all those people who are there, to take their signatures, send them